All right, folks, one more discussion. Last additional thing about making the generative puzzles, like the random puzzles. Um, how do you do the 50-50 split, and also where do you put this code? Like right now, this is all my sketch does, is it just shows a random color. So I would say that you want to pick your random numbers either whenever you start the game. So when you go from the intro mode to game, or anytime you click on the on like a puzzle to like match. If you get it right, you should roll those dice again. Roll the generate new random numbers and see for a new puzzle. So that code for generating these random puzzles is probably going to be put in a function. You'd probably like to do that, and then you can call that function whenever you guess right or whenever you start the game, just to start a new puzzle. So that's my suggestion for that. Hopefully that makes sense. The second thing is, what about the 50-50 split? So I would recommend doing this last. Make the game work without worrying about a 50-50 split. And then once everything is working and looking great, then you can kind of convert it over to a 50-50 split. And the idea for that is I would recommend having another random number that is, say, between 0 and 1. And if it's less than 0.5, then you make a matching puzzle. And if it's greater than 0.5 or equal to, then make a not matching puzzle. So how do you make a matching puzzle? So basically, you can just randomize one of these, like just randomize, say, random word, and then set random color to whatever random word is. Guaranteed to be a matching puzzle, right? Because they're the same number. They'll select the same color and word. On the other side, it's a little more complicated. How do you guarantee a non-matching puzzle? So it's not as simple as just choosing two random numbers, because there's a small chance that they could be the same number. So what I would suggest is use a while loop to generate random numbers until they are not the same, or while they're the same, keep generating random numbers, and eventually once they're not the same, they'll pull out of that while loop. So that's the way you can sort of guarantee that it's not going to be matching. And that'll give you your 50-50 split. So use a separate random number, not random word, not random color, but a separate number to decide, hey, am I going to make a matching or non-matching puzzle? And then, you have like some kind of if statement or, some way of dividing the different ways of doing it that we discussed just now. Okay, good luck with that. I hope that makes sense, and I hope you have success with this, and we'll talk to you soon.